Whoa! What is that? He just needs to pee. Big ol' potty, Dinky. He looks pitiful. Look at that look. It's like my beanie's freezing. He's like, can I just poop in the house? Oh my gosh.
Man, Weenie, had to go bad.
Bless your heart.
Maybe he's frozen. You freeze to the ground?
Leave him alone.
Well, good Lord, I've never seen him pee that long.
I haven't either. I don't know if he knows what's going on. I think he's afraid to wiggle. Oh, there it goes. Oh, you okay, buddy? You alright? Hank's your hose down the foreleg.
Hi, Pumpkin.
Hi, Beanie. She's like, move. Go the hell in.
What is it, Weenie?
He's trying to find someplace to poop.
His first snow, huh?
You can go to the barbecue grill.
He ain't no dummy.
Buck says he takes a dump over there. Nope. Back out. He's like, this is crazy. That's your spot, buddy. That's it. You're in the right spot. Get us stuck doing a video. Not be good.
Snow in our driveway.
I don't like it, but it's
About 10 inches, maybe 11, probably 10 for sure.
I think my little car's gonna get out Monday.
No, ain't gonna get out. Ain't no way.
So we'll take this.
We're gonna be
Monday.
screwed this week.
Great.
'Cause